Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in the Stunt Their Style Challenge for 2019, hosted by my beautiful sister, Sonia, over at MultiFacettedMe. She is hosting this beautiful challenge. And this challenge is for creators who can appreciate and celebrate another creator's design style that is like their own. Now, the details to this challenge is to showcase our own style first, then another creator's style similar to ours. Then secondly, add an element or two to highlight their style and what make them and you unique. This is an open invitation and a no spin challenge, and she wants us to have fun. Now, the creator that I chose is my girl, my sissy, BeMyGuestwithDenise. Denise and I have similar taste. I love Denise. Denise loves to add drama by doing things herself, like painting furniture. She loves to do that. She loves thrifted items. I do as well. She also loves using fresh flowers or even creating her own arrangements using faux, and we have that in common. And guys, I had the opportunity to meet Denise, and she is as sweet as she is on camera. This is Denise's living room or great room. It is beautiful. She loves neutrals. I love neutrals. And this is how we are similar. Now here's my console table, which I have behind my sofa. She loves putting console tables behind sofas as well. And this is my before. I'm actually going to decorate it like one of her consoles, her recent consoles tables. But this is my console table. It has a lot of glam to it with the neutral colors, the golds, the whites. I do put a little more on mine. On my tables. Just give you a glimpse here of what I have on my table. We both love to use vases or ginger jars. We love florals. We both love candles. We both love books and different types of home decor. Now this is Denise's console table behind her sofa, and I'm going to show you what I did to mimic it. I shopped my home because, again, this is a no spin challenge. I picked up this large vase here. I gathered these lamps in my home that sits in my living room. And then I gathered these florals that I had. Which are very large stem florals. Now, something else Denise teaches, if you're thrifting and you're looking for a certain piece, but you can't find the exact thing you need, buy it anyway and paint it. And this is what I did here. I bought this thrifted piece from the Goodwill for $3.99, a little small ginger jar, and I spray painted it to white or French cream color. I use this Rust-Oleum paint. It has a paint and primer mix. Love that. And it only took a couple of coats to paint. And here is the after. Here is my console table after I decorated it similar to Denise's. I think Denise uses that go big or go home theory, and I couldn't agree with her more. I love using large pieces. Here's the floral in that vase. By the way, this console table was a garage sale find for $10. At my previous home, my neighbor was selling it. This is a very heavy table, and she actually picked it up from a hotel that was getting rid of furniture, so you know it's a good piece. $10, guys, for this console table. So I will never part with this. So tell me what you think. Did I come close to Denise's style with this console table? Now I'm briefly showing you pictures of my home with the neutrals, the neutral colors as I close. But I would like to thank Sonia for hosting this great challenge. I really enjoyed participating in it. Sonia will have a playlist, and once that link is available, I will have it listed in my description box down below. I cannot wait to see what everyone came up with and the people that they chose, the creators that they chose. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.